As a social media manager, doing strategizing and creating content ideas for your client, if you are just following what your client wants, you're doing everything wrong. Kasi hindi lahat ng content idea ni client na gusto niyang i-post sa social media niya will definitely align to the branding nila. So ikaw, as a social media manager, it's also your responsibility, especially if you're doing the content ideas, content strategy, and editing the content, responsibility mo din na i-align all of the content ideas ni client dun sa branding nila at saka sa brand voice niya. Kasi not all of the client will always remember the branding ng kanilang business. So I recently had a conversation for my client. It is a luxury business. Syempre, we know naman luxury, ibig sabihin yung target audience niya, mayayaman, and yung willing talaga magbayad ng ganitong kalaking presyo. Then, sabi ni client, mag-offer daw siya ng discount. And we know naman, if ganun yung kanilang branding na mayayaman and willing magbayad talaga ng ganun, ang luxury vibe, hindi bagay sa kanila ang magbigay ng discount. Meaning, instead of discount, we should add another services that feels luxury din, branding pa din ng kanilang business. Mag-add na lang tayo ng another package, i-combine na lang natin siya na magkakaroon ng luxury vibe pa din dun sa business. Which is, hindi tayo nagbaba ng presyo kung hindi nag-add tayo ng value to that people na target audience natin, which make the branding consistent, which is luxurious, di ba? Kaya, if ikaw as social media manager, if oo ka lang ng oo sa mga content idea ng client mo and doing everything that your client wants to do sa social media nila, parang walang nangyari si client at si client pa rin ang nagra-run ng business nila instead of you managing everything for your client.